FAST stock analysis and price predictions for Monday 14th of July. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only person that has actually done this for 5 years straight, all documented with 43,000 videos and shown you what's working, I know my edge, you know, and I know if I stick to it, I'm going to be okay. With FAST, is that this is like fast lane is just like such a good bullish market, and nothing changed the fact that like me just looking at this makes me just double down and buy more if I could though. You know, fast like company is just marking out the top, and that it's not gonna be an immediate long. I mean, you might think it is, but it's not. Like how I'm looking at things is that if I see it pulling down a bit lower and giving me a shift, then and only then I'm looking to take it further up. But like, bro, randomly buying will just not be the way. I genuinely mean it, you know. And all I'm doing in the meantime, by the way, just waiting for rules. This is a typo, but I don't quite care. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description.